Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I will show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end. Friends, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you trendy hair down wedding hair ideas. There are a lot of hairstyle ideas for weddings such as buns, messy and twisted updos, braids, bobs and waves are all on the table. You can also consider a few of the more modern styles like fishtail essence, side swept or short sides with voluminous top, adorned with a pearl and silver pin for elegance. You may also consider a French roll for your natural bob, but if your theme is peachy or garden inspired, an airy wave is perfect. Guys, please watch this video till the end. This is very informative video for you all. And after watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments. Guys, watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any hairstyle idea. And if you want to get this hairstyle, take a screenshot of this style which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this look from any parlor. Guys, please watch my videos till the end and show some love to my videos and my channel. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends, share it with your family members so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos, and share my videos with your family members and friends. That's all in this video. See you guys in the next video.